my goodness. We hit the jackpot. Wow, another one. There's a silver one and a white one. I think I've died and gone to Corvette heaven. Drive 615, Byron Glover Jr. coming to you live from the good old Thunderbird. Right now we are on our way up to Bowling Green, Kentucky to the National Corvette Museum where they have some 2020 C8 Corvettes on display. So we're going to take an in-depth look at those. But first, we're headed up there extra early because I'm hoping we can get lucky and see some of the Corvettes headed over from the surrounding hotels to the actual museum. Chances are, if you see this video, we did get lucky. We got lucky with the last video where we saw a C8 in the wild. All right, Drive 615, we found it, the 2020 Corvette C8. Thanks again for all the support, Team Drive 615. Catch you guys on the flip side. One good thing about waking up is pretty views like that. Wow, gotta love a good foggy sunrise. Although I do like sunsets too. What do you guys like better, sunrises or sunsets? Just whipped a U-turn because I found a C8 Corvette. Right in front of me, right there, right before your eyes. No joke. That's so cool. See myself in their rearview mirror. It's kind of cool. The way it's perfectly angled, it angles right back and I can see myself. There's a silver one and a white one. Wow. This is wild. All right, guys, so here a white one is. Also in the wild. Pretty awesome seeing them up close in person again. This one's got the carbon fiber mirrors. Again, I love right there, I can see the Corvette detail. And over here we've got a silver one. It looks really good with the Corvette emblem on the back. This is the first one I've actually seen with the Corvette badging as well as the logo right there. I almost couldn't believe my eyes when I saw him. Oh, look at that. Carbon fiber roof. And this one has got the front emblem, which I think looks great. This one's got blue seat belts and a white and black interior. That's pretty cool. I like that spec. Again, I love that detail on the wheels right there. Oh my goodness! We hit the jackpot, man, I'm telling you. This is crazy. Thanks, guys. I'm gonna go look on the other side, but the blue interior is wild. Okay, I'm gonna swing around the other side now. I mean, this is just unheard of. I've seen 4 C8 Corvettes in the first 5 minutes of being here. This is wild. Early bird gets the worm, baby. Wow, there it is. Wow. 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 Wow, another one. Oh man. This is unreal. Look at that. Another one! What? Dude! This is... Wow, okay. I know I'm gonna get a lot of comments saying this kid's freaking out, but it's like playing Where's Waldo. It's like, where's the C8? It's like, there's one, 3 up front. It's like, wow, you literally can't make this up. I guarantee I'll probably find another one before this is over in this parking lot. Wow. This one's got some interesting wheels on it. Take a look at those. Okay, so we got the chrome badging on this one. Okay, I wasn't lying. There's another one. Wow. I mean, I'm in like information overload right now. I'll finish up on this one, then we'll go get the other one. This has got an interesting interior. I have not seen this interior yet on a C8 yet. And then we've got the carbon fiber roof on this one as well. Let's take a look at this one. I think it looks so much better with the black Corvette badging. So far, this one might be up there on my top list of favorite specs. Red with the black wheels. Oh my goodness! Did you just pull up? You've been here the whole time? I got up at 4 a.m. this morning from Nashville to come up here and spot C8s. It's beautiful. You guys probably heard me squealing over there.
I don't think you'll mind.
Okay. I've got it. Oh my goodness, is that another one?
Yeah.
Dude, this is, what?
Oh yeah?
Dude, this is, I think I've died and gone to Corvette heaven. We'll go ahead and catch this silver one. I've never seen this one. The maroon one's just casually right there. It's got red interior on it. C8 cold start. Another C8 cold start. Also, can't forget this one. I gotta add this to the count. I love the interior on this. We got red and black interior, red accents on the front dash. Wow. Whole C8 convoy. guys, I am in the exact same spot where I made the last video outro from my first day when I saw the C8. 1 week later, completely different story. I saw close to a dozen C8s, I think over a dozen C8s today. Absolutely wild day. It feels like the longest day ever. I've been up since 4. So thanks again for all the support. Hello to all the GM people that watch my videos that I found out today actually watch them. So thanks again for that support, and hopefully I'm doing you guys proud. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.